Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to take you through a brief tour of one of my favorite sites called Viewbug. On the screen now is what comes up as the home screen. Viewbug is basically just a community of photographers sharing their pictures and basically ranking and rating, and it's a place where you can just have fun and look at other people's work and have them look at your own work. On the main screen here you've got basically just the featured pictures of the day or of the particular time. They come in any different genres or whatever. If you come up to the top here, you can go to photo contests. These are all contests that you can check, that you can register for or enter. They're all free, and you register for them. Some of them you can actually win, like this one here. You can actually win a camera. This one you can win a backpack, and it's all peer reviewed. So everybody votes on all of them. Up at the top there's subcategories. This one it shows all of the categories. This one shows only the free ones. And then if you want to join the premium or pro, you can join those right there. They're a little bit of money, but it's fun to have more of the categories and options available to you. And then you can click here and you can go to the winners and see what the winners of each of these contests were or are. Then back up at the top you can click on photos and show basically just all of the photos that are on there, listed by categories, recents, anything. You can just basically just look at random amazing pictures all over the place. It's really, really cool to look at. You can vote on pictures. You can look at different contests like I was talking about earlier. You go through and you can cast your votes to see which ones you think are the best. There's also challenges. You click on it and you can create your own challenge. Like this one here is Dogs in Action. You click on that and you can submit your post or your picture, and you can take part in a little challenge. And again, they have little awards or whatever. But it's a simple site. It's basically just for photography and expressing your love for the photo world, which I have a great love for. Over on the side where you see my picture, that's where you can view your own profile. You can click on View Profile, and it'll bring up your own profile. Where'd it go? Well, let's try my stats, see if that comes up. Yep. My stats come up and you can see the different my fans, as it were. Some are professional, advanced, and amateur. Break down everything. It's just interesting to see where the fans are from, as you would, and what categories my fans particularly like. And it just breaks down a lot of neat little stuff. And let's see if I can get that to come up. There it is. This is my profile. It shows all of my pictures that I've taken. I submit to here, and then I can upload them to different challenges or contests or what have you. And it keeps your pictures all condensed. And then you have different, like inspirational. These are different awards and contests that I've entered or won or whatever. But it's a fun little website that you can go to and just enjoy photography of all different shapes and sizes.